The EPA has tracked top vehicle emissions test failures since 1996, releasing quarterly reports. This covers common trouble codes. P0420, Bank 1 catalyst below threshold. Usually a failed catalytic converter requiring replacement unless an exhaust leak is present. Use an emissions calculator, some free, some paid, to determine actual catalytic converter efficiency by checking precious metal percentages, platinum, palladium, rhodium. This also detects Venturi-style exhaust leaks, eliminating guesswork. Lambda Reading, a side note on diagnostics. The Lambda Reading, target of 1.0 for perfect stoichiometric combustion on a gas analyzer, is not affected by the catalytic converter and helps diagnose proper engine fueling before the tailpipe. P0171, Bank 1-2 lean, most often caused by a vacuum leak, air boot, intake manifold gasket, or low fuel pressure volume. Diagnose vacuum leaks with a smoke machine, e.g. via the power brake booster hose. Diagnose fuel issues by checking fuel trim on a scan tool. P0435, gross evap leak, commonly caused by a faulty gas cap or a corroded filler neck, common in rust belt areas. Start by checking the code setting strategy, Mode 6 Diagnostics, on your scan tool. A gross leak means a significant opening, like an open gas cap or disconnected hose, not a small seal leak. Use common sense. A smoke machine should show an obvious leak or can be used to check for a stuck-open purge solenoid. P0442, small evap leak. Possible causes include a slightly leaking gas cap, a faulty canister closed vent valve, or an evap bypass hose. Use a scan tool and a smoke machine to perform a system seal test and locate the leak. P0440, evap malfunction. A vague code often pointing to a purge-related issue. Check for related codes and Mode 6 data for diagnostic insight. P0141, Bank 1 sensor 202 sensor heater circuit malfunction, usually a faulty post-cat O2 sensor. Check for a fuse in the heater circuit using a wiring schematic. To diagnose wiring, unplug the sensor. With the key on, you should see 12 volts at the computer side of the harness. No 12 volts and no fuse suggests a wiring or PCM problem. P0128, coolant thermostat out of range. Check for low coolant or a bad thermostat. Replacement is common. P012, system lean. Check scan tool freeze frame data. If Bank 1 fuel trim is also high, suspect a common problem like an intake boot leak, mass airflow sensor issue, low fuel pressure volume, or a manifold vacuum leak. A smoke machine is a key diagnostic tool.